Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie the hairs, dividing the hairs in the front like this. Now tie it properly, join it using the rubber band. Now take another section of the hairs, tie it. Now taking the front part, we will divide it into two parts and fix it below the second part like this. Follow the same step again and again till the end. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Join the hairs and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will tie the hairs as shown in the video. First, comb it properly. Now tie few sections on the top. Divide it into two parts after rotating it. Now take the hairs from the sides and make the plaits like this. After that, we will take the hairs on the back as well and make the plaits. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Now after that, join all the hairs together. Make the plaits and fold it upward. And your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now divide the hairs into two parts. After that, make the plaits on each section like this. So first we will take few section of the hairs and make the plaits. After that, start taking the hairs from the back and then join them in making the plaits. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Now join all the hairs together. Repeat the process one more time. Fix it from the bottom and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs, dividing it into four parts. Make the plaits on each part. Now rotate it using this hairstyling tool. Fix it like this in a bow shape. Now tie the hairs on the top and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs in the front using the rubber band. Divide it like this. Now join it on the back. So first we will tie the rubber band by fixing it like this. Now make the space in the between and pull out the hairs from the sides. Join all the hairs together and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the side like this. Now divide it into two parts. So take the second part. We will make the plaits on it as shown in the video. Take the hairs from the back and join it on the plaits and fix it. Give the lining effects like this. Now take the hairs from the sides and make the plaits on it as well. Now we will join all the hairs together. Fix it as shown in the video. Make the plaits. Your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching.